Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 92.1 FM Pesona Radio, your best information station. Hello everyone and welcome to I Can Speak, your fun and friendly English talk show that help you learn and practice English in the most enjoyable way. I'm Iqbal Santosa and I'll be your host for today. So if you're usually with Valia, but especially for today's episode, it's not gonna be with her. It's gonna be with me. So for the next 2 hours, because this is Monday, right at 12 noon, which means it's time to relax, have some fun, and talk about interesting every single topics. Well, we try to improving our English together. So here is I Can Speak. We can talk about all kind of light and exciting subject, from lifestyle maybe, culture and hobbies, to trend the daily life experience. And as usual, I'm not gonna be here alone. So for today's episode, I'm gonna be accompanied by 3 guest announcer from Unsik. So maybe let's get to know them. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, who's gonna introduce first?
Ibram.
Oh, Ibram. Okay, Ibram. Okay, hello.
Hello, my name is Ibram and I'm from the English education major
Okay.
in Unsik.
Okay. What semester are you right now?
It's my first semester actually.
Oh, this is your first semester.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the next.
Hello, my name is Dani Fitra Firdaus.
Okay.
I'm from Kaliber and we same at the
English education.
English education major.
Okay.
And then this is my first we going to college.
Oh, okay. Also first semester, same as Ibram.
Yeah,
Okay.
same.
And then our last guest announcer.
Hey everyone, my name is Nanda. I'm in the 5th semester
Oh.
in majoring in English education also.
Okay. Ooh. So our senior here, right?
I think so.
Okay. Ibram and Denny,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
This is the first time you're being in Persona Radio.
Yeah,
How
this
you
is my
guys
first
feel?
time.
Feeling
The-
great actually, I'm excited.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
Because we already know Nanda is already been here for a couple of times, right? Is Nanda told you about the things that you need to do, or maybe the things that you need to avoiding in here? Oh, she give you some kind of like wejangan.
No, really, she just give us some content to read and to speak about.
Oh.
We generally don't know what to do here.
Okay, Nanda, what you actually try to say to them?
What?
Are you try to make them scared, or you just comfort them? Oh, it's not gonna be that hard, or it's not gonna be that scary.
I guess I told them it's not gonna be that scary because you're not gonna, talking for like 2 hours straight.
Yeah,
but
I
there's
know,
also
I
some,
know.
yeah, some
Music.
excesses.
Yeah,
Music
yeah,
and
yeah,
things.
yeah. So, what are we gonna talking for today's episode? Who's gonna tell me about what are we gonna talking about? Maybe about our topic, our title, and maybe we're talking about what?
Okay, so because I was the one who made the script, so
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Thank you so much.
because
Thank
we
you so much,
because we
Teresa.
yeah, most welcome, because we discussed about it like few weeks ago.
Okay.
And then I guess this one is the easiest topic to talk about,
I
so we
know.
choose to talking about uni life, like how's
Oh.
uni life going so far.
Especially both of them are
Yeah.
into their first semester.
Yeah,
maybe,
because they're like freshmen.
They're going to be like have a lot of first experience
Yes,
doing
yes,
an
yes,
university
yes, yes,
life.
yes.
Okay, because today we're going to talking about how's uni life is going so far. And Nanda, he's already you're already 5 semester, right?
Yeah, I'm in the fifth semester.
Fifth semester.
Yes.
Oh my God, you're already being their senior. Are you
Guess
the
so.
type of maybe like a creepy senior or like a friendly senior?
She's a bit creepy actually.
Oh.
Damn.
I'm just kidding.
I'm a very
She's cool.
friendly one.
She's cool. She's cool.
That's
Okay.
why I'm here though.
Okay, maybe I'm gonna ask for Ibram and Denny is
Yeah,
where you
so.
came from? Are you originally come from Wonosobo or maybe some other region?
I am born and raised in Kalibeber.
Kalibeber. Okay.
Originally
Okay.
from Kalibeber.
Okay. How about Denny? You also.
We same. We born at the Kaliber too.
So you guys are like a childhood friend or something?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, they are.
Like where? When?
we've been friends since kindergarten.
Yes.
Oh my God, kindergarten until university.
Mm-mm.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it is. Oh my very fun.
Oh my God! I mean, like some of us maybe separate at junior high school or senior
Yeah,
high
yeah.
school, or even maybe we choose another university. But both of them are choose the
Yeah.
same university. Are you not being bored for each other?
Yeah, are you guys not bored?
I mean, like every day you need to see.
Your brother.
Bosen ya
so
harusnya.
don't worry.
He's my brother.
He's my brother. too,
Okay.
man.
Okay, but since you are choosing an English education, right? Maybe you can tell me the reason why you chose English education as your major first. Maybe start from Ibram first.
Yeah, I've been interested in the subject for like the rest of my life. Since I was a kid, I love learning English.
Okay.
And I like to pursue it harder. And yeah, I just love English.
Okay, but in Unsik, they also have like an English literature. Why you choose an English education instead?
Because I want to, what do you call it?
You can use
Wah.
Indonesian language if you don't know about the name.
Yeah, sorry. So I want to educate people.
Okay.
Like English is such an important subject in today's world. So I just want to educate the younglings, the youth, so they can speak English and they
Okay.
can communicate with each other and to the outer world also.
Oh, okay. Then how about Denny?
Yeah. I just wanna like improve myself, my English.
Okay.
When I was kid, feel like wanted to improve my speaking, my grammar, my anything else to like more good. That's why I take a English education major at the university because I just wanna improve, you know.
Okay, but the funniest thing is even sometimes we do have a friends that have a similar interest, but both of you decide to choose an exactly same major.
Yeah.
Are you making kayak janjian dulu nggak sebelumnya kayak daftarnya prodi ini aja yuk kayak gitu nggak?
So not really.
Not really.
We
It's
just
just like-
apa?
You guys just think, yeah.
Yeah,
think
coincidentally,
one another.
just have the same interest. So, where you going after his high school?
Okay.
I'm going to English education. Oh, the same, bro.
The same,
Oh,
man.
really?
Yeah,
it's just
So,
like-
so both of you
Damn.
not arrange it like make an arrangement.
Nah, nothing like that.
Damn, chemistry is real.
The chemistry is real.
Real shit.
Okay. But Nanda, this is your 5th semester. How is
Yeah.
it so far? It's getting more anxious, or maybe you
More
already.
anxious.
I mean, like me in a 5th semester, I start questioning my decision to choose that major. You know what? It's always happening in the 3rd or in the 5th semester.
Yeah.
Like we start questioning:
Think so.
am I choosing the right major? Am I choosing the right way? What am I going to do after this? You already start questioning about that, or you never feel that kind of way.
Oh, I think in my own personal experience during this like 5th semester,
I've been there.
It's been feeling like I'm riding such roller coaster when you're
Okay.
like going ups and downs and like too much extreme things happening in front of your eyes. Kayak itu apa lagi
Apa
ngapain
lagi?
sebenarnya gitu. Orang-orang tuh
Oh my
ngejar
God.
apa sih? Why all of them looks like they're in a rush and
Oh,
things.
yeah.
Terus kayak I think apa ya, lebih ke I feel like more anxious a bit.
Anxious.
Yeah, because I think like every day I see how people being so in rush and everything. Kayak apa sih? Kenapa sih buru-buru gitu? And also how fast the time flies juga.
Okay.
Gitu kayak kok tiba-tiba semester 5 ya
Yeah.
gitu. And like I started to talk with my friends, ternyata semester 5 tuh bukan mitos, damn. Ternyata it's really happening in
It's
front
really
of my
happening.
eyes. Ya, terus kayak oh my god, aku sekarang setuju. Now I know why people called kenapa orang tuh bilang semester 5 keramat. Now I know why.
Right.
Yeah,
But I
because
think the first time I saw you, the first time we met, you also in the 1st semester, right?
yeah.
Right, and now you're already in the 5th semester.
Yes.
I know it's been a lot that going on during the college life. Are you
Yeah.
ever regretting to choose that major or not?
No, I don't
So
think
far.
so. No, I don't think so sih. I'm very grateful that I'm not regretting. I'm not the type of person that you know what. Maksudnya kan kayak to choose your major in uni kan that's something very essential for my future.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm not that type of people that regret things easily just because I face challenge and stuff gitu.
judge.
Kayak maksudnya even though I regret kayak aku nyesel nih masuk pendidikan bahasa Inggris just
Betul.
because I face some challenges or stuff. Well, every major is indeed have their own challenges. So Yeah.
Okay. What about people around you? I mean, like in my case, you know my case. I'm a
Yeah,
bit late
yeah.
doing a university things, and then I'm not questioning my major, but people around me start questioning it. Maybe if you choose another major, you're gonna be faster than that, or it's gonna be easier than that. Is that people around you maybe start maybe suggesting you to do the opposite thing that you want?
Oh, I don't think so, see. Alhamdulillah, I have a very supportive type of person around, so they're not questioning my decision or like my major. Probably just makes me scary because yeah, because it's the 5th semester and most of my friends is my seniors in
Yeah,
uni,
yeah.
so they're like bentar lagi PPL, bentar
Iya,
lagi
bentar
sempro
lagi.
and those kind of things.
Oh yeah, you already start thinking about Sempro or not? Yeah.
I guess I already have kayak
Udah bayangan judul
as we know.
atau apa
No,
gitu.
maybe for the title kayaknya belum ya, but like in as we know that English has some aspects to
Yes.
learn about like speaking, writing, listening gitu kan. Nah, I already know what kind of aspect that I want to focus on in my skripsi, kayak udah tahu sih.
Oke.
Gitu. Tapi
Harapannya-
judulnya belum kepikiran.
Belum ya?
belum.
Just take your time ya. Karena
iya.
Sesuatu hal yang terlalu diburu-buru juga kayaknya it's not gonna be a
Yeah.
perfect result, right?
Yes, agree.
Gitu. Oke. Kita balik lagi ke junior kita yang baru semester 1 ini.
Yeah,
Oke.
betul.
Kalian berarti udah berapa bulan? Like how it's already 3 months or 2?
About 4 weeks.
5 or even 4 weeks. So you're already doing a lot of classes, right?
Right.
So
Yeah,
far.
it's a
And
lot, man.
what that you guys feel like the most differences between the high school and the college life? What makes you feels like is it really happening right now?
I think it's the lecturer actually.
Lecture. Well, okay. What do you think it's the big differences between the high school for
The
you?
way they teach, like
Uh-uh.
like usually teacher in high school, they like really help us to understand the
I know.
material, but the lecturer is just giving out material and you just have to understand it yourself.
Yeah, sometimes they just give you a bunch of books,
Yeah.
a bunch
Yeah.
of
PDF.
module, a
Yeah.
bunch of PDL. This is the thing that you need to understand, and then you need to read it to do your own task, something like that. Okay, so that is what your big differences between the high
Yeah,
school.
that's really shocked me.
Okay, how about Denny? What is the differences that you notice?
Maybe about like about the jam of studying.
Iya betul.
Feel like to feel like
Too
gimana ya, flexible yeah.
I know.
So that's a lot of free time. So I don't know how can I do, but the free time is that. you
Okay,
know.
so what you always you gonna do when you have a free time? Biasanya
Maybe
ngelakuin
it's
apa?
like exercising
Okay.
and maybe nothing, just like sleeping.
Your type of
About that.
after classes that you directly go back to home or hang out with your friend?
About itu sih tergantung dari temannya ya.
Tapi seringnya nih kalau abis kelas
Kalau
kayak
Anda gimana? Kalau Anda
mending
gimana?
pulang atau abis kelas kayak nongkrong sama temen gitu.
Well, it's kinda like hang out with
Hang out.
my homie and then it's just like that.
Okay. I think I also experienced it. And your first semester they're not doing KRS, right?
Oh, what's that?
What is KRS?
Oh iya
mereka
iya. Enggak.
dapat KRS yang
Ya
paket.
udah
kan?
paketan SKS-nya loh.
SKS-nya.
Matkul.
Matkulnya kan.
Oh.
Your next semester you're gonna be make your own schedule for.
Kayaknya di
yes,
FBS
yeah.
enggak.
Oh, you're not?
Ya, I'm not doing that though.
How's that gonna work out?
Really?
I'm not gonna
How's
do
that
it.
gonna work out?
Yeah. I make my own
Yeah,
schedule for
yeah.
my semester. So
Other
actually,
faculty doing that.
let's say we have a math. Like
Yeah.
math, kayak misalnya kita punya matematika nih, matematika diampu sama 3 dosen misalnya, let's say. Jadi kita bisa milih matematikanya mau dosen A,
Ya, mau
dosen
sama siapa
B, atau
gitu.
dosen C. And then after all, we decide dosen C nih. Dosen C punya jadwal hari Senin, Kamis, Jumat. Which day that we choose? Kayak misalnya aku mau dosen C di hari Kamis. Gitu. So we make our own schedule for the next semester. That's happened in my major. So basically, I'm not gonna be a classmate with all of the classmate before. Jadi
Iya,
kadang
iya, iya.
aku satu kelas sama Nanda di
Matkul apa?
matik doang nih,
Iya.
nanti di matkul bahasa Inggris
iya.
aku udah
Belum
enggak,
tentu,
gitu.
gitu.
I heard that sometimes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that is the most exciting thing because it's almost like a war.
Yeah, almost
World
like a
War
rebutan
III
kelas.
for me. Yes, it's a World War
Rebutan
III.
kelas. Yeah.
I mean, it's not gonna be hard if your classes not cross to each other. I mean, let's say matkul A dan matkul B apparently happen at the same day at the same hour. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna split our body into two and then do both of the subject?
Yeah.
Jadi challenge-nya adalah we arrange our own
Time management.
time management. That's it. Oh, yeah, you're not experienced that kind of thing.
Yeah, my faculty doesn't do that.
Oh
Jadi
my
kayak kita KRS-annya tuh sistemnya udah dipaketin
Oh,
gitu.
okay.
heeh. Kayak
Lucky
mesti
you.
ini. Yes.
Like you, like
I don't have to war.
yeah. Every single semester, I feel like a World War III.
Yeah.
I mean like kadang kita juga switch tukeran antar orang gitu loh. Kayak misalnya Nanda punya subjek apa nih yang berlebih, apa SKS-nya? Nih ambil SKS-nya aku aja gitu. Tapi aku minta SKS-nya kami yang matkul ini dong gitu. So we switch our subject gitu. So that's happen in my major. That's why every first semester it feels like hell actually. Yeah.
Rebutan kelas.
And then because we also have like a different lecture for the same subject, kayak misalnya
Yeah,
subjek
yeah.
matematika nih, lecturenya kan bisa beda-beda. I always ask my senior, which of this lecture are the best? Who
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
give
yeah.
us
Recommended.
an easy apa sih
Easy
nilai?
person, yeah.
Jadi aku biasanya tanya, Mas, Mbak, gini-gini, makul yang ini enaknya sama dosen siapa ya yang nilainya gampang gitu. I always ask my senior about that. That's why kita rebutan pasti kayak entah rebutan jam, kayak misalnya ada orang-orang yang nggak suka kelas pagi, jadi nggak pernah
that's
ngambil
me.
kelas pagi. I always choose first morning subject karena aku yang nggak suka kelas sore. Jadi aku kalau kelasnya bisa diambil pagi, pasti aku selalu ambil pagi. Tapi kalau bisa menghindari kelas sore, aku menghindari kelas sore gitu.
It's better to have a morning class actually.
I know, like we start with the fresh body,
Yeah,
fresh
fresh
I don't
mind.
think
I know,
so.
right?
No,
Why? Why?
Because she's not a morning person.
Yeah,
No.
I'm not a morning person. I'm a night owl. And like, I don't think, why do we have all of those stuff in the freaking morning? Like, you don't want to just chill first, like chill out, having coffee or
No.
maybe like having
Right.
tea at house, and then after that kayak baru kayak aku tuh nyawanya baru ngumpul kayak
I
jam
mean, like maybe
setengah 10 I
it's
think.
also already a habit because we did that in the high school, right?
Yeah.
We did that in the high school, and then we already get used to it. Do learning first thing in the morning.
Damn, I was get forced when I was in high school.
Okay.
But it's actually harder in college though. Like we usually woke up early in high school and it's very easy.
I know, right?
But it's in college.
Yeah.
I just can't woke up. I just can't
It's
woke up
so
at
hard.
6 a.m.
It's
like
so hard.
before. I can't.
I know.
just can't.
Especially sometimes some of the subject just start at 9 or even at 10.
Yeah.
Or even at one day we only have one subject to
Yeah.
attend. It's so hard. I mean, like, why do I need to shower? if I only
Yeah.
attend
When
one
it's
subject?
only one, yes.
Yeah, I know, right? It's happened in university. And then for both of you who just attend the first semester in the university, what about the social life? Is it hard to find a friend since you know you're not gonna be there from 8 to 4 or maybe from 9 to 4, but you like have to meet a random person? Is it hard to make a friends in the university for you?
Not really, because we made friends in the PKKMB even. So we made couple friends.
Okay.
It's not really hard to make friends.
Okay,
If you
okay.
can just talk to them and interact with them, it's actually easy.
Okay.
It's pretty much easier.
How about Denny? Are you also trying to have friends outside your major?
Yeah, it's too easy. Like
Too
If-
easy.
Too easy.
Too easy.
If we can,
Siap Bang
like,
Messi.
Maybe both of them are social butterfly.
Guess so.
I don't know.
Not really.
If we can so asik gitu.
Oh iya.
So asik.
Tapi
we
emang
will be-
pertemanan cowok berawal dari so asik gak sih?
Yeah.
Right.
That's a apa page ya. Faktanya emang kayak gitu. Jadi kalau misalnya kita bisa so asik, we will be really easy to make a friend at the university, of course.
Tapi kalau temen dari beda jurusan gitu, ada nggak? Atau mungkin lebih susah nggak sih didapetinnya?
If we just like meet and then we just tell each other, tell about the name, the where they live, and then maybe it's just like easy, you know. Gampang lah gitu.
Gampang ya.
Yeah.
Dan maksudnya
I find it hard actually to make friends like that.
the other.
So I have to interact with them first to know them and decide if I want to be their friends or not.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So you're the one who make a first move.
Yeah.
Okay. Kalau
First move.
first move, like you approach them first.
Yeah, you approach them first, say hi first.
Or
No,
maybe
no. They-
most
no,
of
they
the
did.
time.
They did.
Oh, they also did that. But
I
what
did.
if like maybe in a boys friendship, like they need told that we need to be SKSD, right? What your response if like people suddenly approaching you doing an SKSD thing?
It depends on my mood actually. if
Moody.
If my mood is if I'm in a good mood, then I'll accept them with open hand, like, "What's up, bro?"
Oh,
And if not,
okay.
I'm just like, "What are you doing?"
Jadi depend kayak moodnya lagi bagus atau enggak aja ya.
Yeah,
gitu ya.
get the hell out of here, bro.
Okay. How about Nanda? I mean, like friends
Funny.
come and go, right?
Yes.
Especially you're already in the 5th semester. I mean,
Exactly.
like the friends maybe already changed from the first semester that you're
Of
there.
course.
What that your experience during that 5 semester so far about friendship?
Of course, they change a lot, and also I mean, me personally also changing. So I don't really take it as personal, that kind of thing. Kayak maksudnya kayak ya udah santai aja lah, nggak cocok ya udah gitu.
Okay.
Gitu. I'm not that type of person that questioning my friendship. Kayak misalnya kayak, oh, we used to hang out together for like 7 days in a week, misalnya
Okay.
kayak setiap hari for like every day always hanging out, terus kayak the next semester we're not anymore. Yeah, I guess the energy just doesn't match anymore, and
Okay.
ya udah gitu. I'm not questioning my friendship, I guess. And apparently maybe like start from previous semester, from the 4th semester,
Yes.
I guess I have no best friend in my class.
Okay.
Yeah, I have
So
no
you
best
just-
friend. Yeah,
That's
I
just
think
sad.
I just treat them like all the same.
Oh,
Like, each of you is are my friends
Yeah.
gitu
Okay,
aja,
okay.
kayak semua temen gitu loh,
Okay,
nggak ada
okay.
yang kayak di specialin like you're my best friend. I don't
Okay,
think.
okay.
So
I do
Yeah.
understand that, but when you, I'm not going to say when you grow older. I'm
Yeah.
just going to say when you at more semester in your college life, you're gonna understand that we're doing give and take.
yeah, yeah.
If I give you something that I'm expecting something from you.
Yes.
I know, right?
Yes.
just
It's
doing a give and
beneficial.
take. It's beneficial. Like it's,
Yeah, it's very beneficial.
if I can being honest, like college life is a versi simple dari kehidupan. Nah, I
Yes,
know.
yes. Yeah, yeah.
Versi
Get
simple
it.
dari kehidupan. I know. People have their own goals.
Yeah, their
People
own
have
goals.
their own willingness. Ya, jadi orang sebenarnya ya punya tujuan mereka masing-masing,
Keinginan
punya
masing-masing.
keinginan masing-masing
Yeah.
juga. So we cannot force them to do an exactly that we
Yes.
want, right?
Yes.
Okay, after this, we're gonna talking about senior life and junior life.
Okay.
How that you guys approach senior and how senior approach the junior. But after right here, after our commercial break, so don't go anywhere. Keep station on 92.1 FM. Welcome back to I Can Speak 92.1 FM Persona Radio, your best information station. Still with me Iqbal and our guest announcer. There are Nanda, Ibrahim, and also Denny. We're still talking about how's uni life going so far. And before our commercial break, I already mentioned that maybe our next conversation gonna be talking about junior and senior life. And maybe I'm gonna go with Ibrahim and Denny first. You guys as junior, did you find any maybe hard to approach the senior, or maybe you feels like maybe to have a friends with a senior is a bit hard, or you just get along with your senior in the university?
For me personally, I just usually get along with the senior
Okay,
because the senior usually they talks a lot and they talk to the junior a lot.
talks a lot.
They talk a lot. Like for example.
Okay, how about Denny?
Yeah, we same. Like we meet about a lot of people about the cutting ya. gitu.
Cutting.
And then just we taught each other, and then we just like a friend.
Okay, but
We rata gitu.
how often that you maybe seberapa sering kamu apa ya namanya,
Interaksi.
berinteraksi, berpapasan dan berkolaborasi dengan seniormu?
Well, kalau misal ketemu gitu ya
Ha-ha.
di kelas gitu, terus
Sungkem.
enggak gitu.
Sungkem.
Sungkem
It's like
senior.
you know dap gitu
Yeah.
Step up. Step up.
tap gitu like that.
Elek-elek.
Okay. Is that real? When every time they see you as senior, they're
only the boys.
Only the boys.
Only the boys.
But what about the women?
I'm not really too interested with women.
Oh, enggak
Because
terlalu
he has a
berinteraksi.
girlfriend,
Oh, so
He has a
he need
girlfriend.
to keep a
Okay,
distance.
so he
yeah.
kept the distance.
He
Yes.
need to keep a
Wow.
distance.
Green flag abuse.
Itu bisa jadi panutan. Panutan ya.
Iya, iya.
Boleh.
Kalau Dani gimana nih? How you try to maybe is that any awkwardness when you try to interact with the junior or you just get
Aku.
along? Kamu
Aku
ngerasa
dengernya
awkward?
Denny.
Enggak, kamu Nanda.
Nanda.
Kamu Nanda.
Awkward ya. Aku personally kayak me personally not feeling anything, not awkward, not anything because I'm the person who thinks that if we click, that's it.
Oke.
Right?
True,
Ya kayak the energy gonna just bounce back. Kalau emang kayak you know, once the energy bounce back, then ya udah, it'll be easier for us to just get along.
Oke.
Gitu. And since I'm such extroverted soul, so yeah, so it's not that hard for me.
Okay, but what about your senior? You also have a senior, right?
Yes,
in the
yes, yes.
university. How they treat you and how you try to treat them?
How they treat me so far just so good because we're just gathered in kepanitiaan
Oh, okay.
and even stuff, so ya udah gitu. Kadang kalau rapat aja kayak most things we talk about more like other stuff rather than the events itself, so ya udah gitu, just get along aja. They treat me so well and I treat them the same
Okay.
way.
But so far, like maybe you already doing a lot of activity. Just you said before you doing a kepanitiaan bareng, gitu kan, with your senior and also your junior. Is it hard to make a collaboration between different generation and different semester?
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I feel that too. Maybe more like, apa ya? I've been there as a junior and I know how anxious or like how how hard it is to approach the senior first. Maybe like asking things gitu-gitu, kayak nanya tuh sungkan, hesitant, full of doubt gitu-gitu. Terus juga kadang as a senior, I could admit that kita tuh males buat kayak reaching out first gitu loh. Kayak
Bener,
why do
bener.
we have to, like
Okay.
if you have something to ask, just ask gitu loh, nggak usah kayak nungguin kita say hi duluan. It's okay though gitu.
Oh,
Gitu aja
okay.
sih. Paling kadang kayak susahnya di situ, but most of the time I become the person who
Approach
be the
them.
bridge. Yes,
Oh.
kayak biasanya Mbak tolong tanyain ini gitu, just because they have a lot of doubts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about. You say you join a kepanitiaan. That's mean you also join in some of organization in the
Yeah.
college. How
Yeah.
you manage it? That you join a lot of like an organization, or maybe you just join in one or two organization so far?
I'm joining in two organizations.
To organization.
Yes.
And then how did you think that you already? I mean, like finally you decide to join the organization. Maybe what is the pertimbangannya, considerationnya to join the organization? I mean, like the college life already busy with the task and all of the things.
Oh yeah. Oh, because maybe as what Danny has said, I mean, uni schedule isn't that tight as we were in high school, so it's pretty more like flexible. And I think I have lots of
Free time?
Yeah, lots, like too much free time. And go back again to the point where I am extroverted person, so I got my whole energy balls from talk to people, meet new people, and like trying new experiences. So I guess kayak with this so many free time that I've got and I just doing nothing tuh kayak buat apa gitu loh.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so I gain it through organizations.
Okay, what organization is that you're joining right now?
I'm in Nawasena and BEM Fakultas.
BEM Fakultas. So far, like let's say the percentage of your manageable times. Like how often that you going to your organization? Maybe it took like almost 50% of your college life, or it's quiet, not that often.
Maybe it's like 40% for my organizations and 60 for academics.
Oh, okay. So it still makes sense, right?
Yes,
Oh,
it still
okay.
makes sense.
How about Ibram and Denny? You and your first semester already joined some organization or not?
Yeah, we've applied to some organization.
Okay.
Actually, just one.
Just one.
This
Yeah.
one we
Nawasena.
just joined Nawasena.
Nawasena, okay.
Is that considered
But he
organization?
got like take a what? Division.
The division, I think.
Yeah.
I take French.
The
Oh,
French. and-
French.
Actually,
Yeah.
Nanda is the tutor.
Yeah.
Can you say like a French word that the first Nanda told you? Since Nanda the tutor.
Bonjour.
Like bonjour.
Bonjour.
Salut.
Bonjour. Yeah.
Chanel.
Chanel. Dior.
Bonjour.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Okay. So both of you only joining one organization.
Yeah, just
Uh,
only one.
Why? I mean, after all of the organization, I mean, the university have a lot of organization, have a lot of type of organization from the
Yes,
beneficial religion and
Yes.
what is it? Academical. There's a lot of organization in college. Why you choose
Just only
Nawasena and only one?
Because for me, like, that's a lot about the organization. But
Yes.
if we can focus with the one organization, that will be like, ya kayak lebih mendalami gitu loh.
Oke,
Yeah, that's why.
pengen
Just-
fokus aja.
Yeah, just focus on the one.
Okay.
That's, my passion.
Okay. How can you know that organization is the one? I mean, like you never try another organization, right?
Iya.
Bisa-bisa yakin yaudah deh ikut Nawasena aja gitu. Padahal kan belum coba organisasi yang lain
Oh,
juga.
yeah. Because ya itu kayak passionnya aku kan di situ gitu ya. English division, then I want to improve my English, then that's why I going to join that Nawasena
Okay.
organization.
Okay. Ibrahim also only join one organization.
Yes.
Why? Why Nawasena, like not other organization?
I don't find it interesting personally.
Okay.
Damn.
I don't really like socializing with people
Okay.
unless the people I know.
Guess so.
obviously.
Okay.
And it's our first semester, so I just want to
Adjusting.
ya adjusting and memperhatikan sekitar dulu.
Oh,
organisasi
yeah,
apa
yeah,
sih
yeah.
yang kira-kira
Observe,
cocok.
observe.
Yeah,
Okay.
observe the
Okay,
surrounding
okay.
first before joining any organization.
Okay. Back then in my university life, I joining like some organization, and each of organization have a different goal. I
Yeah,
also joining like
of
a
course.
religion organization. I also joining UKM Bahasa as well back then, and then I also doing like organization who's focusing on a political side.
Yes.
Yes, I joining all of the kind of organization back then, but I'm not focused on all of them because to find the one who maybe I fit in, I need to try first, right? Maybe I need to know what is good for me, what is good for me, and
Yeah.
where that the comfort place is. Jadi dulu aku kayak nyoba beberapa organisasi dengan
Yeah.
tujuan yang beda-beda gitu,
Yep,
bukan tujuan yang mirip-mirip. And then after all, I only deciding like I choose two organization at the end, and then the organization it's only exists in my major, so it's basically on coding and all of the things, and also joining UKM Bahasa back then. I'm more often in FBS rather
Yeah.
than in my faculty. Karena even in my faculty, my classes not in my faculty, right? Back then, aku dulu nggak ada kelas dulu di Fastikom. Jadi dulu malah kuliahnya itu kayak di fakultas-fakultas orang lain, dan dulu sering ngecampnya dulu di FBS. And that's why I think trying new things and find the discomfort in another organization is makes me realize what I want and what am I belong to. Jadi kalau Nanda pernah nggak kayak kepikiran kayaknya mau ikut organisasi ini tapi agak skeptis atau agak takut gitu?
Yeah, I have. Of course, I've experienced it. Terus kayak, usually when we think about that kind of stuff kan kayak pasti we have a friend that already in there.
Oh yeah.
So I ask what's happening inside though.
okay.
Oh, I'm not interested. I'm not doing that.
Oke. Tapi biasanya alasan utama untuk nggak join suatu organisasi apa alasannya? The consideration. I mean like the time management is already too over atau mungkin apa ya tujuannya aja yang nggak kurang serak gitu.
Maybe apa ya? kalau my own personal opinion, more like my schedule already tight. And also, yeah, maybe the goals of the organizations not so nanda. So yeah.
Oke. Iya, kadang agak kurang kayak kalau aku sih lebih ke how they manage the organizations, like what they're looking for actually, and then I mean like every single goal is fine for me. Like they deserve to have their own goal, but
Yes.
sometimes to achieve the goal, their activity is not just reflect what they want.
Yeah.
The activity
Yeah.
is not reflect what they want and not reflecting what they goal. It's kind of confusing for me. That's why I don't know if their goal is to be achieving A, why their activity feels and look like they're going to a C or something like that.
Yeah,
That's why I think like punya tujuan apapun boleh-boleh aja, tapi kalau
Betul.
aktivitasnya kayaknya tidak mencerminkan
Tujuannya tersebut,
kayaknya
what for
gitu ya. Memang university life is a little bit, what is it? I'm gonna say complicated.
Roller
Complicated is the
coaster.
right word.
Yeah.
I'll almost say a different word, but complicated is the right word so far ya. But you manage a relationship with friends, it's good. You manage relationship with your classmate and also the organization. How you guys manage relationship with the lecture? I mean, like how close you guys with the lecture? With Nanda first, maybe you already in 5 semester. Are you have like favorite lecture so far and less favorite lecture? I'm not gonna say hate lecture, but less
it's a
favorite
sensitive one.
lecture. I'm not gonna ask you to mention the name.
Of course, I do have my favorite lecturer because like she's the best I've
Okay.
ever had.
That
yeah.
means she's a woman.
yeah, she's a woman, of course. Maybe because the way she teach and everything just suits me very well. And since even though we're in language faculty, but I don't
Yes.
think every lecturer have a good pronunciation in English.
Oh, I
Yeah,
do
so-
agree with that.
Yeah, so it makes me like hard to understand the material most of the times, not because I really do not get what the contents of the material, but like how they tell me about it, like
Okay,
how
okay.
they pronounce the words and like the sentence, and sometimes very confusing.
Okay.
So yeah, I prefer the lecture with a good pronunciation. Yeah,
pronunciation.
so I can understand it.
Okay. Have you ever tried to get more closer to the lecturer, or maybe try to get her attention and something like that?
I mean, I don't think I have to.
You should actually. It
I don't-
have a lot of benefits.
I don't think I have to because they already pay attention to me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You kill it
Yeah.
already.
Yeah, since maybe I don't know, maybe because my English or stuff, because even in my class, although I'm already like in 5th semester, but people who can speak English fluently is only a few
yeah,
of
yeah,
us.
yeah.
Jadi kayak yang bisa sama yang enggak tuh kelihatan banget gitu loh.
Yeah, yeah.
The way they pronounce, atau kayak misalnya by the lecture, kadang kan dosen tiba-tiba nanya gitu kan, asking questions, terus kayak yang biasanya jawab, even though using bahasa or like using Indonesia is allowed in my class, but when you use English and you got the plus point,
Yeah.
ya kan, when you use English, because we're all in an English class, English major, jadi kan kayak when you use English you got the plus point, jadi kayak lebih ditandain gitu loh, oh ini nih
true,
yang
true.
biasanya pakai bahasa Inggris gitu.
Okay. But what about your less favorite lecture? What makes you not like them so much?
First thing first, because it's related to my academic stuff, so maybe the way they pronounce words, sentences also sometimes not very obvious, so
Okay.
yeah, and it's hard. It makes me hard for me to understand what you actually talking about. Or like
yeah.
where do you gonna take us actually, man? Gitu.
Man,
Oh man.
Let him out. I know who
they
it
are
is.
human.
I know who it is.
Okay.
You knew it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about maybe I'm go to Denny first. Like, your favorite lecture. You already have a favorite lecture or not
Well,
so far?
you know, I'm just going to college to few months and A few weeks, yeah. And then
Somewhat.
just like meeting, but the lecture is just too early. Then I'm still not found the favorite lecture.
Okay.
And even the less,
Okay, so you
because too early to judge.
to judge them.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, because you still to get to know them first.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. How about like your favorite subject so far?
Until right now.
Yes,
yeah.
until right now.
The lecture.
Apa? Kayak mungkin pelajaran soal apa gitu, pelajaran
Matkul apa? Matkul apa?
Matkul apa?
Oh, it's like the favorite. Yeah, I just
Yeah.
wanted to ask the favorite. The answer is this pronunciation, I guess.
Oh, pronunciation.
Because the lecture is
Pronunciation.
really good.
Okay.
Yeah. For the speaking, like cara mengajarnya juga gitu. And then, yeah, everything is just really like asik gitu. Bisa
Okay.
gampang diterima sama mahasiswanya gitu.
Okay. How about Ibram? You already have a favorite lecture, or maybe you just like Danny too early to judge?
Iya, same as him. Same as him.
Cari aman ah.
Cari aman nih.
Cari aman.
Harusnya tanya Ibram dulu ya.
Jangan dong.
How about how about your favorite subject?
Favorite subject so
Yes,
far.
so far.
I like reading.
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 Why? Why?
Because I want to read like consciously. I want to read material in English.
Oh, yeah,
But
yeah.
I just can't help myself but to like open my book and then just putting it back.
Oh, okay. But how about maybe a lecture make you feel what is it? What is the right word? I'm gonna use a bad word, but I need to hold myself.
What is
Lecture makes you feel less comfort. Maybe
comfort.
Less motivated.
less motivated. Maybe when you see the lecture, you feels like I don't know. The subject is good, but when
Yeah,
they did the lecture, I don't know. I just don't get into it. Oh, what is the reason? Maybe ada orang yang mungkin dosennya kayak lemes kah ngajarnya, atau mungkin loyo gitu, atau mungkin tidak menguasai materi. Ada nggak kayak gitu yang ada?
Yes, I know the answer actually.
Tapi ada gitu. It feels
there
that
is.
way.
There is.
Okay.
That lecturer is just giving out assignment
Mm-mm.
and
Knew it.
like they give assignment for this week and
Okay.
the next week the mahasiswanya harus mempresentasikan assignment tersebut gitu loh.
Oh, okay.
Dan for straight 14 weeks we have to do that.
Oh yeah,
Like
I also
14.
have that kind of lecture.
Yeah, we all have that one.
I have like it's only happened like in 1 or 2 lecture in my major. It's happened because I don't know. Just like Nanda said before, like even though you guys your major is in an English education, not everyone fluent in English.
Yes.
Same as my
Yeah.
major. Even though my major is informatic engineering, not everyone is good at computering and
Yes,
coding
yes.
and all of the thing. Even though their major is a communication, not all of them is a good at communicate. It's happened a lot, and sometimes I just didn't get it how they can teach. Yeah, so it's kind of makes me less motivated to learn and something like that. It's happened sometimes, and also when it come to subject that are very important about our major, let's say in my major we have like coding. So we're learning about a computer language and all of the language that use it in a computer, but that major is important to my future, right? Because this is the main core of the major, but the way they teach it, it's sometimes jadi kayak sayang banget gitu loh, padahal
Yeah,
kan
yeah,
ini
yeah.
matkul yang
Intinya
penting,
gitu
yang
ya.
intinya, tapi cara ngajarnya dan juga the way cara mempresent materinya agak kurang gitu ya, jadi kayak agak sebel gitu. But in your major, I just don't get it about the percentage using the language. Like how often that the lecturer can use in Indonesia or even the student?
I guess depends on the lecture,
Okay.
because there's one lecturer that they're very in love with English, always using English no matter what.
No matter what.
No matter what they
matter
say,
what.
no matter that we don't get it.
That sounds hard for someone who maybe just start learning using English.
Yeah, of course. I have some friends that always like dah apa dah ngomong apa dah translate gitu translate Google lu serah mampu kecepetan gitu but yeah maybe there's I mean everyone have their own plus and minus. Yeah, so sometimes we got the lecturer that speak English very well, they pronounce very well, but the tempo of her speaking very fast.
I know.
Yeah, very fast, and she thinks that everyone can catch up with it, can keep up with it, but the fact that we're not all of us. I mean, kayak pasti ada yang ketinggalan kayak apa sih iki? Wis tekan ngendi gitu loh, kayak udah sampai mana gitu karena kecepetan. Tapi but we also have the slowest one, the one who that called the one who insists to speak slowly, tapi emang pronounce-nya nggak se-good itu, nggak sebagus yang kecepetan itu loh gitu. So yeah, we got the plus minus.
Okay,
So.
but is there any lecturer who did it in both of the language? I mean, like first they gonna explain it in an English language, and then they need to explain it in Indonesia. Is there any lectures like that?
Most of them like that, I think.
Most of them.
Yeah.
Most of them, yeah.
When the material is pretty hard to understand, so they will explain
Translate
it
it in Indonesia.
Oh, okay. But for both of you who already did the first semester and just start a college life with using English, are you find it's hard to keep up with that one lecturer who always using English no matter what?
For me personally, no.
Okay.
Because I love speaking in English and accent.
Okay. But
Yeah.
how about all of your friends? Is there any of your friends who find it difficult to keep up?
There are
There are so many.
It's a lot.
But have you ever tried to tell the lecturer, like maybe can you just do it slowly, or maybe can you just explain it again in this part using an Indonesian language? Have you ever guys asking that?
No, I haven't.
Okay, then you haven't asked.
Yeah, my classmates they act like they understand what the teacher's saying.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah,
Yes,
get it?
yes.
Okay.
Gitu ya. Okay.
They don't actually.
Yeah.
They don't understand what the lecturer is saying.
They pretend like okay.
Yeah. Even they don't understand like that.
How about you, Nanda? Have you or even your classmate asking that one lecturer to maybe try to explain it again, but with Indonesian language? Have you ever tried?
Try to ask them. Try to ask. I don't think my class has ever done that. More like because in my class is very apa ya, kayak bukan circle sih, lebih kayak yaitu kayak sangat kontras between the ambitious
I get it.
ambitious students and like the not so motivated going to uni type of friends. Jadi kayak mereka they would rather stay silent and asking the ambitious friend after the class.
It's happening.
Kayak ya mending nanya temennya lah gitu, atau enggak, because when we ask the teacher, maybe when the teacher speaks too fast and then we asked her to
explain it again.
To explain it again, to repeat the material tuh pasti ada yang keberatan gitu loh, because he or she already got it. Kayak apaan sih diulang-ulang, you know, that kind of things.
True.
Diulang-ulang ya, and diulang-ulang, or maybe like why kenapa harus kayak waktu kita minta dosen yang maybe tempo bicaranya terlalu cepat gitu buat kayak dipelanin, pasti ada yang keberatan kan, karena mereka just comfortable with it, they can catch up with it gitu, so they would rather translate it to their friends daripada harus kayak dosennya harus yang pelan gitu kan, ada yang malah ngantuk atau apa gitu loh kalau pelan-pelan. So we're just beneficial, ya, kayak we're not asking the lecturers to explain it again, but you teach us gitu konsepnya.
Okay.
We're like just beneficial.
It's also happened in my class, because I just don't get it why one of my friends is choosing this major in the university. I mean, I don't see they have an interest in this major. I don't know why they choose this, and they seems like didn't get it every time the lecturer tried to explain them. In my major, informatic engineering, they always use a complicated istilah yang rumit gitu. And then the funny thing is the lecturer not try to explain what the definition of that istilah, right? Jadi kayak misalnya let's say they're talking about an operating system, they're not even talking about the definition of operating system. They're not try to explain about when we're using the operating system and something like that. But it also happened in my class. the one who don't get it about the material is not even asking the lecture. They're gonna asking about the ambitious one. Yeah,
That's really true.
I'm not gonna say I'm ambitious one,
Yeah.
but
The smart
background-
one.
No, my background is I already learning about informatic engineering in my vocational high school because I'm a linear. Back
Yeah,
then,
yeah,
I
yeah,
already learned that, so I know one or two things. I know one or two things, but my friends who feel like I don't know kenapa mereka milih jurusan ini di saat
yeah.
interest mereka aja kayaknya
Nggak
bukan
kesini, ya.
and then saat orang kalau mereka interest kan kadang kalau dijelasin nggak tahu ada rasa ingin tahu kan.
Ya.
I just don't get it why they
Ya.
choose this major after all. I mean like it's not you can repeat to choose the major. You if you want to change the major you need to start again, right?
Yeah,
You
start
need
all over
to
again.
start all over again. But it feels like they choose the wrong major but they don't want to accept it. It feels like they deny it.
Yeah,
you have that kind of
yeah.
friends like they feels like choose the wrong major but they deny it. No, I'm in the right major. You have that kind of friends?
Yeah, also, of course, I have so many friends like that because they're like they're in English. Yeah, they're in English education major, but when the teacher asks us for like doing an individual presentation,
Yeah.
or maybe like bikin RPS terus dipraktekin praktek ngajar gitu tapi sendiri gitu loh. They complain about it. I mean like, oh MJ, you're in education
Asian.
major.
This is what you
That's
do.
what we doing.
After
right?
all.
Yeah, that's what we doing. If you don't like the task and everything, kan harusnya udah kebayang ya. Oh, this is an English education major, so we're about to be raised for like the future teacher,
Yeah,
things like
yeah.
that. So we're gonna learn about gimana sih cara yang benar mengajar dan perintilan-perintilannya itu kan RPS dan lain-lain itu. But they complain about it. But you choose this. That's
Yes.
That's weird though.
It feels like yeah, you're just an informatic engineering, but every time the lecturer asks you to do coding
ngeluh gitu.
why?
Yes.
Kan bisa
You
nyari yang
choose
lain
this.
gitu.
Yes,
kan.
yes.
Yeah, why you're complaining?
Feels like
That's wrong.
yeah. Feels like you're complaining over your decision.
Yeah,
That's-
man.
Yeah, and the
Aneh.
one that I try to understand is about the people who choose education for their major. It's not about mastering the material, but
Yeah.
the homework is how you to separate it the knowledge that you already have, right? How
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you
yeah.
communicate
Membagi,
to your
yeah, sharing.
student, and then it's all about how you teach after all. Jadi
Yes,
kadang
yes.
misalnya orang ambil jurusan let's say pendidikan bahasa Inggris, mereka cuman fokus di bagian bahasa Inggrisnya aja gitu loh. Mereka nggak concern di bagian bagaimana mereka untuk
Yeah, how they
mengajarinya.
share it.
Right.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
right. That's right.
Wow, the major is so complicated, but you're not feels like you choosing the wrong major, right?
Nah.
No, I'm not.
No.
How about the people around you? Is there anyone who already mentioned that kayaknya aku salah jurusan deh?
I think I have some friends like that. Feels like, oh my god, setelah after kayak I mean the way they told me after this whole long fifth semester, I guess I'm not really passionate about teaching people gitu-gitu sih. But they're like
Yes.
gimana ya terjebak gitu loh because yeah, because if you want to, as what you already said Mas Iqbal, like when you try to change the major then you start all over
Yeah,
again
you
dan
start all
kayak
over again.
males gitu. So they're like ya udahlah gitu, ya udahlah momen, ya udahlah
udahlah.
aja gitu.
Jangan dikasih dulu lah.
Sebagai kalian
Iya.
yang semester 1 harus
Harus.
stick the tujuan ya,
Yes,
harus stick
yes,
dengan
yes.
tujuan.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
in my major, no, not in my major, in my faculty.
Faculty.
Even in my faculty, like we experience maybe 20 or 30% student who feels choosing the wrong major. Like at first my class is around 35, 39.
Yeah.
Yes, my class around 35, 39, and we have like 4 classes. We have 4 classes, but if it's a practical classes, we have 8 class. If it's material, we only have 4 classes. But in my 6th semester, my class is only not 30. It's just only 20
Beritili ya.
or even 29.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
only in my classes. It's only in my classes, and it's happened not only in my classes. It's happened always in my friends' classes and also another major in my faculty. The fact is, most of them are still in Unsik but they choose another major.
Yes.
But
I guess so.
daripada mereka berjuang mati-matian dan gak dapat apa-apa, ya mereka choose to start
All over again.
Yeah,
Some people.
and then when I asked them why you choose this major at first, I thought it's going to be fun.
Ya. I thought it's going to be fine.
I thought it's going to
Kirain
be
mudah,
fun.
ternyata mudah-mudahan bertahan.
I mean, I mean, like
yes.
they thought like my major in informatic engineering. I thought when I don't know how to coding, you just need to open YouTube and suddenly
Tutor.
know
God
how
damn
that
it,
we did
there's
it.
no way.
Yeah, I
Tutor.
did. But yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
happened kayak dari 30-35 kayak di semester 6 aja nggak nyampe 30 gitu kan. Jadi kayak lumayan juga yang berarti even I found one of my friends who graduate just on same time with me. She even already asked me in the third semester, should I change my major? Should I really do another subject, or should I change the university? Because she want to change the major, but she ashamed if she changed the major but still in the same university. She felt embarrassing and something like that. So she considering to change the university, but in the end, she graduate at the same major as me. She not changed the major, but she never worked something who berhubungan dengan jurusannya
related
dia.
to the major.
Jadi dia nggak pernah, karena in the end dia nggak berani untuk mengambil keputusannya sendiri gitu. Jadi dia mau pindah jurusan juga nggak berani, tapi untuk memilih jurusannya sendiri dia juga kayak gegabah gitu.
I see.
Jadi bertahan juga salah kayaknya. But if you really want to change your major, just do it and just realize it an early semester, I think. In the first at the second semester. It's not too late if you think that you're choosing the wrong major in the first or in the second semester, but after the third semester, I think it's just wasting your time and your money if you change it.
Right.
Swasta apalagi ya.
Changing
Bayar
the
terus tuh.
major,
Aduh.
university.
Iya.
Makanya pilihlah dengan bijak.
Choose wisely
Choose
before everything.
wisely.
Ya, karena kan kayak basically every major have their own plus minus,
Yes,
have their
betul,
own
betul.
challenges. So when I think one of the tips that I give to my junior and my senior high school, kayak kan pada kayak gimana sih Mbak milih jurusan biar nggak menyesal gitu
Okay,
kan.
okay.
Aku bilangnya kayak gitu, every major have their own plus minus. So choose that one yang minusnya tuh yang paling bisa kamu toleransi, yang paling sanggup kamu jalan itu
Okay.
yang mana gitu loh.
Oke.
Kayak every ya gitu, kayak semua jurusan tuh punya resikonya. Nah, among all of those kayak which one that you think you are the most capable for it gitu. Kayak yang mana yang kalian paling mampu ngadepinnya gitu. Gitu.
Kalau aku, I'm never suggesting my junior to choose major that they really like to. I mean, like,
Yes.
some of people have a hobby in this area. I'm never
Yeah.
suggesting them to choose that kind of major. I mean, like, what kind of life that you want to achieve in the
Yeah.
future? Are you seeing
Yes.
yourself as a teacher? Are you seeing yourself as maybe a public speaker? Are you seeing yourself a news anchor, an announcer? If that is the future that you want to achieve, choose the major who maybe can makes you achieve your dreams. Karena
Who helps?
karena seberat apapun perjalanan di jurusannya itu,
Iya.
kalau emang tujuannya ke sana, menurutku bisa. Jadi aku jarang banget
Yeah,
kayak
it'll be easier.
merekomendasikan, ya udah kamu sukanya di apa, pilih aja jurusan itu. Aku jarang sih, karena sometimes let's say I like to play video games, but when video games becomes my daily work, I think I'm not gonna like it that
Agree.
much. Karena sesuatu hal yang kita lakukan based on pekerjaan akan tidak berasa hobi nggak sih?
Ya. Feels like demand.
Nggak akan berasa hobi gitu. Jadi lah kalau hobi kita jadi pekerjaan, terus escape-nya kita kemana lagi?
Betul.
That's why I always recommend to my junior, like, just look at yourself and maybe wondering 5 or 10 years after
What you gonna be, who you're gonna be.
Yes, exactly. And then choose the major who maybe can help you to
Help
achieve.
you through that. Yes.
That's why.
That's right.
Yeah.
Ya. Karena kalau cuman milih kayak apa yang suka doang tuh kayak we must have expectation towards it, and when
Yes.
you do not reach that expectations, then you gonna what is it called? You're gonna be disappointed of yourself.
Yeah.
Kayak kenapa nggak sampai ya gitu? Just because you're too in love with the major gitu.
And human are basically too easy to get bored, right?
Yes.
Especially when they do the same thing over and over again.
Yeah,
When
on
your
daily
hobby
basis.
become your daily activity, I don't know. I cannot experience it like when your hobby become your daily activity. So wisely to choose your major when you go to the university. Okay. We still have a lot of things to talk about after this. Maybe before our commercial break, I'm gonna mention Persona Inspira that after this we also gonna give some vocabulary.
Yes.
Yes, you guys already prepare some, right? Vocabulary.
Yes, yes.
I do expecting a lot of vocabulary today. Yeah, so Persona Inspira can wait for it. So don't go anywhere. Keep station on 92.1 FM.
To be able to voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak.
92.1 FM, Persona Radio, your best information station. Still with I Can Speak, and you're still with me, Iqbal, Ibrahim, Denny, and also Nanda, which is for the past 2 hours, we're already talking about how's Uni life going so far, and we've been here some experience and personal preference
Yes.
about a lot of things. But just like I mentioned before, this is gonna be our last segment, and our next segment is about vocabulary. So let's go to the next segment. It's Learn with Persona.
Your new vocab today. Kosakata baru apa hari ini? Let's enriching our vocab. Perkaya kosakata baru hari ini bersama Learn with Persona. I can speak.
Okay, so this segment, Nanda, Ibrahim, and also Denny will share some of vocabulary for Persona Inspira who may be gonna be useful for your daily activity or increasing your knowledge about new vocab. Who's gonna go first?
Me, I think.
Okay.
Okay, so the first vocab we got is of course campus because we've been talking about uni. So campus spellingnya C-A-M-P-U-S.
Okay.
Campus.
Campus.
Then next one we got lecturer.
Mm-mm.
Spellingnya L-E-C-T-U-R-A-R. Lecturer. Gitu. Next.
And the next vocabs we got assignment,
Assignment.
and you spell it with ASSIGNMENT. That
Okay.
means tugas.
Tugas.
Another one is classmate, CLASSMATE. That means teman sekelas.
Mm.
And the next one is semester. Semester. It means semester.
Semester.
Yeah, the next one is scholarship. That is beasiswa. That's spelled SCHOLARSHIP.
Okay.
Yeah, moving on.
Okay, the next one is deadline. That mean is batas waktu. We spell it DEADLENA. And then the next one is internship. That mean is magang.
Magang.
INTERNSHIP. And then the next is study group. That mean is kelompok belajar. We spell it as STUDYGROUP. And the last one is graduation. We spell it GRADUATION. That mean is wisuda.
Wisuda ya. Jadi tadi ada beberapa vocab yang sudah diberikan. Ada campus, lecturer, assignment, classmate, semester, ada scholarship, deadline, internship, study group, sama graduation. Nah, yang paling tidak disukai adalah deadline.
Yeah, of course.
Deadline.
Assignment.
Assignment gak apa-apa asal deadline-nya jangan mepet-mepet.
Oh iya. Ya lagi.
Asal deadline-nya jangan mepet-mepet. Oke deh, itu tadi ya. So our topic about how's uni life going so far. Maybe for the closing statement, you guys have any wishes? Apa harapannya deh untuk perjalanan kuliah kalian? Mungkin buat Nanda juga yang masih tersisa, kira-kira harapannya apa nih buat perjalanan kuliah ke depannya?
Yeah, I wish to learn a lot of things in college, and so I can apply it to my career in the future.
Oke.
I think that's for me.
Oke. So, Denny, what is your wishes?
I hope when I was the graduation at the college,
Yes.
I wish that the speak this English can use at anywhere like a career, sociality, and then anything else.
Okay, Nanda, what is your wishes for your rest
My
of
wishes.
Unilife?
Rest of
You already
Kayak udah
fifth
di ujung
semester.
banget.
Yes, you are.
Right.
Oh my god. My wishes, I guess I really hope that the path that I choose is the one that helps me to become who I want in the future. Gitu sih.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Okay, so that's a wrap for today's episode of I Can Speak. Thank you so much for spending your Monday noon with us. I hope you guys had a fun and learned a new and maybe some vocabulary English from us. Mohon maaf juga kalau misalnya ada salah-salah kata. Sampai jumpa lagi minggu depan masih di jam yang sama setiap hari Senin jam 12 sampai dengan jam 12. Sampai dengan jam 2 siang. Nggak kapok kan datangnya?
Enggak.
Berarti
We're looking forward for the next
Oke,
chance.
ditunggu ya kedatangannya lagi ya.
Oke.
Terima kasih, saya Iqbal Santosa.
Saya Nanda.
Saya Ibram.
Dan saya Dani.
Kami pamit undur diri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.
See you.
Thank you.